Hey kids! Today we're going to be reading Hooray for Birds, and I want you to tell me what your favorite bird is at the end of this story. Hooray for Birds by Lucy Cousins. Can you imagine, just for one day, you're a busy bird? Yes, a bird! Hooray! The sun is up, the sky is blue. Wake up and shout, cock-a-doodle-doo! What bird says cock-a-doodle-doo? It's this bird. It's a rooster. Flap your wings and you can fly higher and higher, up, up in the sky. Hop, 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 peck, peck, peck. What kind of bird says peck, peck, peck? What kind of bird is this? You're right, it's a woodpecker. Now swim along and stretch up your neck. Can you stretch up your neck like this swan is? That's right, they can see many different things because their necks are so high. Say hello, darling. Then swoop like a starling. Swoop up and down, swoop round and round. What does swoop mean? Show me with your hands what it means to swoop. That's right, swoop. Swoop. It means to go up and down and round and round. Scratch the ground with your feet. Catch a fly with your beak. Stand very tall on just one leg. What bird stands tall on just one leg? That's right, the pink flamingo does. Can you stand tall on your one leg? I've seen many of you do it before. Say cluck cluck and lay an egg. What is laying the egg? That's right, it's a chicken. Cluck cluck. Catch a wriggly snake and stretch out your wings. Show me how you can stretch out your wings. Just like this bird. Open your beak and sing, tra-la-la. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Hum, hum, hum. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Waddle like a penguin in the snow. Run like an ostrich. Go, go, go. Show off your tail and puff out your chest. Then cuddle up close with Mama in your nest. What a busy bird you've been. The funniest one I've ever seen. You began the day cock-a-doodle-doo. Now say good night. Twit, twit. Ooh, ooh. What kind of bird is that? You're right, it's an owl. The owl is nocturnal. It stays awake at night. What kind of bird did you see in this story that is your favorite? Make sure you leave a comment in the comment section so that I know which your favorite bird was.